The following contest is a tag team match set for one fall, and it is for the United Wrestling Network Tag Team Championship. Introducing first the challengers, representing the Avantage and weighing in a combined weight of 406 pounds, the desirable Damien Desire, and the owner of Saturn's Ring, Bryce Saturn, Transcendence. And the champions, representing the mighty Zaddies from the land of Satisfaction, and a combined weight of 515 pounds.